Welcome to the product demo for Campaign Manager, a unique add-on to WireContact CRM. In this video, we'll learn how Campaign Manager can optimize your email campaigns by making strategic use of your data in WireContact, facilitating a smoother workflow for marketing and enhancing lead qualification for sales. One of the unique features of Campaign Manager is that it can be purchased as a one-time license with the option for annual software updates. There are no pesky monthly fees or extra charges based on the number of contacts in your database or the number of emails you send. It's a simple, straightforward pricing model that lowers your total cost of ownership. Furthermore, Campaign Manager seamlessly integrates with WireContact, allowing you to write the campaign history right back into your WireContact system. This means you have a comprehensive view of all your campaigns right within the CRM. No more switching between different tools or platforms to get the full picture. With Campaign Manager, you have freedom to access your own mail server. Whether you prefer your own trusted provider or a dedicated mail server, the choice is yours. We understand that every business has unique requirements, and we want to give you the flexibility to make the right decision for your campaigns. Last but not least, Campaign Manager does take care of bounces and unsubscribes by writing them back to the WireContact database. This ensures your contact list remains up to date and you can easily manage your subscribers. No more annual updating or keeping track of bounced emails separately. Campaign Manager simplifies your database management so you can focus on creating successful email campaigns. With these advantages of Campaign Manager laid out, let's transition into a live demonstration to witness its capabilities firsthand. From the lookup screen within WireContact, you can create the lookup of contacts that you want. In this case, I already created a custom lookup with a few prospects, so I can either add these contacts to a new list or I can enter the Campaign Manager. So I could create the list here, but what I wanted to do instead, in our case, let's use a list that's already been built. The first thing I do is create a template. The Campaign Manager allows you to use the built-in editor, or you can create something new. Whatever you can build in HTML, you can build in the Campaign Manager template editor. Here's one I built announcing our podcast to our UK accounts. You can mail merge in a first name. There's the copy. You can add attachments. You can insert a graphic. And then what I'll do here is add a hyperlink. And then that link will be trackable. I can also send a test email to this address, or let's just say I'm done. I hit save and exit, and then we're going to show you how to prepare a campaign. Now that we have a template and a list, let's create a campaign. It needs a name. You can use the default sender settings, or if you had a unique reply address like a marketing @ or an info @ to send replies back to a certain mailbox, you would check this box here and fill in the fields. But in this case, we're going to use the default settings. We're going to pick our newsletter. Instead of picking the whole database, we select a list. And if you so choose, if you happen to use Google Analytics, you can drop in the codes from Google Analytics and analyze this email campaign, not only in our system, but within Google Analytics as well. Once you're done, select Create Campaign. Here are the list of campaigns. These two were sent in the past. This one hasn't been sent yet. You can either send it now or go to the scheduler and create a task that will send a campaign at the date and time that you choose. In our case, we're going to hit send now. We'll send a campaign by hitting the continue button. The campaign has been sent, and now we await the results. Now that we have the completed campaign, let's take a look at some stats. Here are my opens. These are my clicks. Let's go to my opens. And let's say I want to look at my unique views. I will click this icon here, or excuse me, this hyperlink. If you want to see the history in the contact record, you can click here, and you will see the complete history, or essentially the contact back in the CRM, so you can make subsequent phone calls. Let's go back to the links. If I want to see who opened or which links they actually clicked on, I'll click this icon. And if I want to see who opened this episode of our podcast, I click this. And I can see the contacts that opened that link. If you want to see their IP address, that's fine. And if I want to go here, I can click on the contact record. And I can see the complete contact record if I want to make a follow-up phone call. In conclusion, Campaign Manager is the key to transforming your email marketing efforts with WireContact. It not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures your campaigns are more effective, leading to higher quality leads for your sales team. Experience firsthand how Campaign Manager can elevate your business. Reach out for a demo and take the first step towards optimizing your email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching. Brought to you by Mondo CRM. We facilitate insight.